Don't peek it. We still got 22 seconds. Don't peek it. We don't have to die here.
I don't have bubble.
Why does he never bubble?
Punisher's left side. Stay on Mike.
I'm not gonna play Punisher anymore. I got bubble.
I shoved their invis out the back right. Look at the Bucky, look at the Bucky, look at the Bucky.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up.
They might all kill the tanks, and not the healers. The fuck?
At least you took out the tanks. It's
I'm
fine.
not the type who
Yeah, that was actually huge. They just lost the fight because both their tanks died instantly. Oh, they bubbled their Luna. That's why she left.
Round 2. It's good to step outside my bubble every now and then.
I think all three of my deaths are my fault.
Yeah. Most of my deaths are too.
You'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong.
You're here. I replaced most of the metal components of my armor with carbon nanotubes a while back. Copper wire is all I need to strangle you with stock, should I choose to do so. Oh yeah, right. Remind me whose side you're on.
The battle starts in 5.
How much healing do you have right now, Tali?
3, 2,
I'm
1.
at 31k.
You have
How
to
about
stop them.
31?
Securing the mission area.
21.
Vortex field.
Someone's coming top left.
No worries. I've got your back.
Panther.
It's much better.
This feels empty. Just
BB's somewhere behind us. BB's behind us.
That one hurt. Psionic burst.
Magic in the back as well.
Reset the stage.
Magic is also behind.
Feel the pull. A nice deep freeze.
You got